Okay, so as you can see, my fence is not 90 degrees, so I have to make an adjustment by tilting the fence a little bit to the left, the top part. Okay, and how I did it, I didn't remove any screw. What you need is a piece of plastic sheet. This is the one used in making outdoor signs. You know, the one that you see on the billboards. Or maybe you can go to your local signboard shop and you can find it as scrap. Okay, and so I put a double-sided tape on it. I already did it off camera. Put a double-sided tape all over it, and then on the part that I want to add a little thickness, I put some masking tape. So you can see here I put masking tape, and over here there's masking tape too. And then just stick it right there and put some clamp on it. Okay, maybe you should remove this one first. Okay, just continue to it. You better take it out before you stick it. Yeah, just make sure it is well aligned, especially the lower part. So, okay. And let's put it back. Now, you can clamp it and make it stick for a couple of minutes. Now, after a couple of minutes, take out the clamps. Moment of truth. Can you zoom it here, right here? Now it's perfect 90 degrees. There's no gap. Yeah. You don't need this anymore because I have my extension table. So if you want to see the video of how I made the extension table, you can check out my channel, and I have a detailed process on how I made it. Oh, by the way, you also have to adjust this marker by an eighth of an inch, because the plastic that we use is like 1/8 of an inch, so you have to adjust this by 1/8 of an inch. And how to do it is you have to raise up your blade. Just raise up your blade. Okay, and then push this to the left until it touches the blade. Okay. Once it touches the blade, you can unscrew this with a screwdriver. Yeah, right there on the zero. So you just have to loosen up these two screws and move it a little bit. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching.